21st Century Expeditionist. I'm here in Connecticut on my way to the Leatherman's cave. He was a vagabond or bum that lived in the mid 1800s, and he had basically a circle that he kept, a track through upstate New York and western Connecticut, and he visited the different towns along the way, and every 34 days or so he'd show up back to the same town. I believe it was just over 300 miles his route, but he would live in caves and shelters along the way and visit towns. He was dressed in his own homemade sewn leather clothing or jacket and stuff that he wore, pants, and he had a leather pouch and some other things, a leather hat and gloves. And he was like I said, he was a vagabond, and he's more famous than anybody that lived in that time period, more famous than the politicians and aristocrats of the era. And he had nothing to his name, spoke no English, very little words, I guess. He used hand gestures and grunts. He's believed to be of French nationality, either French Canadian or from France itself. When he died, a French Catholic companion book or Bible was found on his possession, dated to the 1840s. I believe he died in 1889 in a cave in New York, but it's an interesting interesting thing that a bum became a legend, and basically kind of in his own way a national hero, or at least a state hero. We're at the top of the cave. Have a nice look out here. Kind of hard to even focus on what I'm saying because I didn't bring any gloves and my hands are frozen. It's like 17 degrees out here, 20 degrees. It has a spectacular view. Cold it is right now. I'm at the top of the cave here. You can see a cave down in there. This is where he would have taken shelter on his route whenever he made it to this area. So I gotta walk around because the dog won't be able to get down that. It's too far of a drop for him, too high of a drop. That's the bottom of the cave, or entering the cave. cave. Could build a fire in here and have shelter. Keep them warm in the winter, in the cooler months. Here's the other entrance, or outside of the cave.